Now, the Indian Council for Historical Research is now facing wrath from the opposition for excluding former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's image from its Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav digital poster. Despite a clarification, no end to politics over this issue. Here's a look at the latest.
India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in the news again. After Indian Council of Historical Research allegedly omitted his name from a digital poster marking Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, commemorating India's 75 years of freedom. While Nehru was conspicuously missing, the names of Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Vinayak Damodar Savarkar found place in the banner. Congress immediately saw red, alleging willful omission of Nehru's name, crying negation of his legacy by an atrocious and petty move. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor said it is absolutely ahistorical to celebrate Azadi by omitting the preeminent voice of Indian freedom. Congress even questioned Savarkar, claiming the RSS stayed away from freedom struggle, leading to a blame game. After outcry, the history body denied undermining Nehru's contribution in freedom struggle. It said there are a series of posters including those featuring Nehru. It added that the scrolling function on website developed a glitch, resulting in the misunderstanding.
The Indian Council of Historical Research, while celebrating India's 75th Independence Day, has released a poster where Congress alleges that conspicuously Nehru has been replaced by Savarkar. In clarification, ICHR says that's not the only one poster. There will be more and more in coming days. While this celebration, Nehru will also be seen in the poster, while other freedom fighters are featured in, the Congress says why Savarkar replaces Nehru. In Delhi, with Anil Jaiswal, I'm Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.